I love working at Hollister.
It's the best place to work in the Valley.
They have great benefits.
I think the people are what makes it fun.
I like knowing that our products help people.
I'm very proud to be working here.
It's a great place to work.
So I've been here 32 years and I can't imagine working anywhere other than Hollister.
The roots of Hollister Incorporated began more than 100 years ago in Chicago. From the very beginning, the company was focused on quality products, quality service, and quality employees. And it was in 1975 that Hollister opened its manufacturing plant in Stuarts, Virginia. Now, after almost half a century, the Hollister plant in Stuarts continues to manufacture advanced medical products for people around the world who depend on those products to live their lives with dignity. With manufacturing and distribution facilities around the world, Hollister is an employee-owned company with a noble purpose to make other people's lives more rewarding and dignified.
Hollister believes in their principles: integrity, dignity, service, and stewardship. Not only does that apply to our customers, it applies to the employees too.
I feel valued here and I feel like the people listen to me when I have an idea.
I like the work culture, the monthly meetings and whatnot, a lot of communication and transparency.
Training is important because if you're trained at your job, you feel comfortable doing your job, you're being set up for success in your job.
I started as an operator, and through my years I worked up, being a level 3 operator to a level 4 operator, and then a couple years ago I decided to go back to school to be an engineer. Hollister supports their associates growing themselves and continuing their education.
It's about the engagement of the associates. We realize that, without them, none of this will happen.
At the Hollister manufacturing plant in Stuarts, associates can pursue and continue to develop their careers, along with their dedicated and mission-driven colleagues who also share this unique company's exciting and prosperous future.
Well, for one, the benefits is great.
I'd say the benefits here are awesome.
Right off the bat, you get a good amount of vacation.
The free eye care, the dental care is great, the health care, you have multiple plans, it's great.
The 401k matching is higher than anywhere else I've ever seen.
But even besides those kind of bennies that you typically hear of, we have climate controlled. I mean, it's nice and 72 year round.
People I've talked to come from different places where it's always hot. We don't have that problem here. It's just comfortable in here.
I think there's a wonderful family work-life balance, and it's always family first.
The Hollister plant in Stuarts is an integral part of the local community, and associates still maintain the Schneider Community Park adjacent to the plant. The park was donated to the people of Stuarts by Hollister founder John Dickinson Schneider and his wife Minnie Schneider in 1984, and is just one example of how the plant and its associates continue to give back to their colleagues and their neighbors throughout the Shenandoah Valley.
It really is more than just a job. I do feel like I'm part of something bigger.
I take pride in what I do, I love my job, and I know I'm making a difference in someone else's life.
I make a difference at Hollister.
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 I make a difference at Hollister. I make a difference at Hollister.
We all make a difference at Hollister.